Warm, nourishing and soothing chicken rice kanji is easy to digest, making it perfect for breaking fast at iftar. It also can be served as a light breakfast. First, let's make the coconut chutney that is often served with the rice kanji. To a mortar, add a small piece of ginger and garlic pods. Pound them well. Add the fresh coconut, red chilli powder, season with salt. Keep in mind that the chicken kanji also has a fair amount of salt, so season cautiously. Add a few tablespoons of tamarind juice. You can substitute with lime juice. Pound until you have a smooth chutney paste. Taste and adjust the seasoning. The extra coconut chutney can be frozen and used as needed. Now let's make the chicken kanji. Place a large pan over low-medium heat. Add in the washed rice. Pour in the water. Add the fenugreek seeds, pandan leaves. If you don't have pandan leaves, add some curry leaves or a bay leaf. Cinnamon, garlic cloves. Season with salt. Add half of the chicken breast. This would allow the rice to be infused with the chicken broth. Add enough water to cover the chicken and the rice. Increase the heat slightly and bring to a gentle boil. Once the chicken is fully cooked, use a tongue to remove the chicken from the pot. Let the chicken cool and shred it into smaller pieces. As the rice cooks, gently break them down using the back of your wooden spoon. Add the thin coconut milk and continue to smash the rice. You want the rice to become the consistency of a thick porridge. Once you have a porridge-like consistency, add the shredded chicken. Combine the shredded chicken with the rice. And then finally, pour in the thick coconut milk. Once you add the thick coconut milk, reduce heat to low and continue to break down the rice. You will notice that the rice kanji is thick. From this point onwards, you will be adding water or extra coconut milk to bring the chicken kanji to the correct consistency that you need, either a thick porridge or a thin porridge. Taste and season with salt. And this is your warm and comforting chicken rice kanji.